Hello everybody, today I'll tell you Tokyo Disneyland 2025 April planning guide. So here I'll tell you the detail about April Disneyland. April would be a bit less crowded compared with other months, so I think this month would be perfect. So let's get started. So here's his contents. Number 1, what's hot in April. 2nd, crowd forecast. 3, park tickets. 4, new merchandise. 5, temporarily closure of rides. So let's get to the number 1. Oh, before going to that, I'll tell you about the current opening hours. So here is the detail. So actually, weekdays and weekends, it's completely different. 15 minutes difference here. Weekdays, happy entry 8:45 a.m. and the normal entry that will be 9 a.m. On the weekends, so for happy entry 8:30 a.m. for normal entry 8:45. So when it comes to the opening hours, I think it will be changed in April as well. So I'll tell you the latest one later. So number 1, what's hot in April? So let's check the schedule of the April. From first, actually Donald's new seasonal event will start. When it comes to the food, actually the parade will be started from 7th April. So you can enjoy Donald's brand new food in Disneyland. That's very fun, and I think many kinds of food here. So let's try it. And from 3rd, that will be Chip and Dale's birthday. So if you love Chip and Dale's, let's see him and take a picture together to celebrate their birthday. 7th, Donald's new seasonal event pre-start day. So new merchandise release day. So you can buy brand new Donald's new merchandise here. And 7th, that will be actually pre-event. So the official event for Donald's Quacky Duck City will be started from 8th. So 8th would be like that. And also Star Tours special version will be starting here. On the 15th, it is exactly the day of the 42 years anniversary of Tokyo Disneyland, and also the new merchandise featuring this celebration will be released today. So 15th will be also very much important. So I think the 1st, 7th, 8th, 15th, those days are very important in Disneyland. So if you are coming around these days, enjoy this brand new event. Next one, parades and shows. So here's Quacky Duck City. Do you know what it means? Actually, Donald will be a king of many people, many Disney characters, and he would be dancing and playing some music, and that would be very much exciting. And the brand new characters coming to Tokyo Disneyland last year, it was a Pete, so he's gonna be coming this year as well. So hopefully you're gonna have fun here. And actually this parade is an exciting and fulfilled parade where Disney friends celebrate Donald Duck, the ultimate superstar, in a lively and festive atmosphere. Schedule is here, 8th to 26th, 28th. That will be 3 p.m. At 27, 29, 30s, that will be 12 15 p.m. and 4:20 p.m. 27, 29, 30, that will be 2 shows in a day. And this is the parade route. So parade will be coming from the Haunted Mansion area on the above, and it goes left and it comes to the right side, and it goes around in the middle, and then it goes out to the Toontown area. So if you see yellow area, those float will be stopped, so you can enjoy to see Donald's and Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse and many characters here. So hopefully you're gonna watch it. And the next one here is blue signal. That means guests who have Disney Premier access, they can watch it. And also pink one, those were vacation package people's seats. So if you would like to watch it in the seating without waiting many times, so please check in and get it. Actually, Disney Premier Access is very busy, so very popular actually. So please come to Tokyo Disney around before 8 a.m. and get it just within 15 minutes of opening hours of Tokyo Disneyland. Next one, Disney Harmony in Color. So schedule is here. be careful. From 1st to 6th, that will be 2:15 p.m. But actually, unfortunately, 7th to 31st, that will be a rest, so you can't watch it. So no more, harmony in color from 7th to 31st. But actually, this will be, restarted from 1st May. Next one, Tokyo Disneyland Electrical Parade Dream Lights. So here's the schedule: 1st to 6th, 6:45 p.m., 7 to 30, 7:15 p.m. And next one, Sky Full of Colors. So this is fireworks, amazing and beautiful fireworks. So schedule is here: 1st to 6th, 8 p.m., 7 to 31st, 8:15 p.m. And lastly, Reach for the Stars. This is quite unfortunate that Reach for the Stars starting time will be very much delayed compared with March. Actually, schedule is here: 1st to 6th, 8:30 p.m., 7 to 31st, that will be 8:35 p.m. So before March, it was like 6 p.m. this show was started, and also it was 2 shows in a day. But actually from April, that will be 1 shows and 8:30 or 8:35. So here's the seating of the DPA and the vacation package, and the Fund for Disney seating. So the blue one is the Disney Premium Access. So if you buy it and if you want to watch it in the very front row, please buy it. Next one, Mickey's Magical Music World. Schedule is here: 1st to 20, 25th to 30. That will be 5 shows in a day. 21st to 24th, that will be a rest. So next one, Clown Speed. So it's kind of quite complex that 1st to 6th, there'll be 5 shows in a day. 7 to 26th, 28th, there'll be 5 shows in a day, but the timing will be different. And 27, 29, 30th as well. And next one, Jamboree Mickey Let's Dance. So schedule is different from 1st to 6th and 7 to 30. Actually 5 shows in a day. So you've got a lot of chance. There are 5 shows in a day. So please do our entry request first. And if you fail it, better buy Disney Premier Access to get a wonderful seat. Number 2, crowd forecast. So here is a crowd forecast. Actually, April would be less crowded compared with March. So 1st and 2nd, that will be crossed. Crossed means very busy, and a triangle means a bit busy. So circle means not busy. So recommended day to go. So 1st and 2nd is crossed, and the 3rd to 5th, that will be triangle. I think many students are taking a holiday until 6th or 8th. So until 8th, the park will be crowded with many students. And the 9, 10, 11 would be good. And the 12th would be triangle. And the 13th would be triangle as well. And the 14th to 18th, so Monday to Friday, that's very nice. And the 19th, that's crossed. So a bit crowded, I think. And I think from 20th, and it is like a Japanese Golden Week will be started from the 27th. So it's like 20th, like many family will come taking a long vacation sometimes. So the Sunday and Monday would be triangle. So Tuesday to Thursday, that would be okay. And 25th Friday would be also triangle. So the 26th, that would be crowded, I guess, and 27th as well. 28th, 29th, that would be triangle, and the 30th would be okay. So it's quite a different when it comes to the day you come. So 1st to 8th, that will be many students coming, and after 20, many people, family will be coming here. So my recommendation would be 9 to 11 and 14th to 18th. So you're gonna find which day would be better and come to Tokyo Disneyland. Next one, park ticket. So here's a park ticket. As I told you, the crowdness would be different up to the day. So April is quite complex. So 1st to 3rd, there will be 10,900 yen, and also 26th, 27th, 29th, 10,900 yen. So the next one, 9,900, 4th, 5th, 12th, 19th, 28th, 30th, that will be 9,900. So 9,400 day would be 6th, 13th, and 20th, mostly like a Sunday. So 8900, that'll be 14th and 18th, 21st, 25th, and lastly 8400, 7th, 11th, 15th to 17th, 22nd to 24th. So this price means, try to control the crowdness. So the 10,900 yen would be Disney take it as a very crowded day. So the price is very expensive. So 7,900 day would be less crowded compared with other days. 8,400 as well. So please check the price and choose the day you go. Number 4, new merchandise. So as I told you, brand new Donald's Quacky Duck City product will be coming out here. So here is a special merchandise available from April 7th, 2025. So this is a limited period merchandise. So many products which is very popular will be sold out very soon. So better buy it after the product will be started sold. So to tell you the detail, actually, if you check the official website, those are only Japanese. Crazy. So let's check it. Number 1, Gua Gua stick. So this is the stick. Once you shake the stick, actually this duck will be saying something. Gua Gua Gua. That's like that. And the next one, accessory. This is the accessory for Gua Gua stick. So you can put this accessory into this Gua Gua stick, and then the stick will be looking lovely. Yes. So next one, this is a hairband, Donald's hairband, 2 types here, and also some hats here, and a t-shirt, and then some towel for kids, and a long face towel, and a wash towel, and also some accessories for your clothes, and you can put these accessories on your clothes, and also shoulder bag, 3 types, and also stuffed toy for Donald's, and a stuffed toy, Mickey, Minnie, a Daisy, and Chip and Dale, and a Pete, and a postcard here, and also clear holder, and a seal, and a badge, and a cam badge, and a collection card, and Disney Beagle collection, and also this is a blanket, a strap, and back charm here, and some bags here, and a card holder, and some snacks. It's like quite Japanese snacks here, so please buy it, and also some chocolate and cookies. So many products will be coming out from 7th, so please check it and buy someone and eat lovely chocolate cookie. Lastly, 5, temporarily close our eyes. So here is a temporarily close our eyes. So let's check it. Number 1, so it's Family Treehouse and a Splash Mountain, but a Splash Mountain will be restarted from 20th March. A Donald's Board and a Gadget Gold Coaster, Chip 'n Dale's Treehouse, Westernland Shooting Gallery, and also Pooh's Honey Hunt will be not open from 9th April to 7th May. A Pirates of the Caribbean and the Happy Ride with Baymax from 9th May, 28th May, and Mark Twain's Riverboat and Big Thunder Mountains here. So also Disney Harmony Color will be, you cannot watch it from 7th April to 9th May. Mickey's Magical Music World, 21st to 24th April. So that's all about it. Actually, April would be a very good warm season in Japan, and also many kinda brand new events will be started, so I'm so excited too. So hopefully you're gonna have fun to watch it and enjoy Disneyland. So that's all about it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful time at Disney. And please subscribe my channel if you like it, and please follow my TikTok account as well. And actually, I've got my Instagram account as well. So if you have any questions, please leave me a comment on my Instagram or TikTok. And yeah, that's all about it. So how was it? April. So I think April would be a very good season to get to Tokyo Disneyland, and very warm. It's like 18 to 20 degrees. So if you wear just a t-shirt, that'll be okay. And sometimes you need to wear some jacket as well. And also Donald's event would be a second time. I watched it last year. I hope this will be much more fun in this year. Please. That's all about it. Thanks very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.